Hey legends, welcome to another $1,000 FXTM challenge update. This is your host Rowan from Optimize FX, bringing to you another update for the week, and essentially we're going to be having a look at how the robots went over the past week, and maybe talk about some settings and things like that we may be able to improve on. But so far, if you're new to the channel, essentially I've got a laptop here that's running 10 terminals with 10 different robots, all on the same start balance, so $1,000, same leverage and same everything. The only thing that is different is obviously the robots and their settings and the pairs that it's trading. So I've got in front of us a portfolio of all of these that are going, and you can have a look at it yourself. It's fxblue.com/users/FXTM test 1. I'll have the link in the description below the video, and this is essentially how all the robots have gone so far. So I'm really impressed. If you had this as a portfolio, you'd be pretty impressed with how it's gone, apart from one robot which went down, which was Aura Hedge. It was trading gold on a 0. Can't remember the lots. I think it was maybe 0.01 lots, and it went down, but we've changed some settings and we are seeing it come back. So it didn't blow the account entirely. I think it just ran out of margin and closed all the positions, and then gold came back up. So changing the settings, it is a lot less crazy, a lot less aggressive, but in saying that it's a lot less aggressive, it's also not making as much money, and you'll see that on the terminal soon when I'll show you. But the only other difference is Advanced Scalper is no longer Advanced Scalper, it's Promax Gold, and it has actually closed over a profit now. It started at the end of Advanced Scalper with a balance of less than $1,000, and it's come back to a positive balance now. So all in all, the portfolio is looking really good. Stabilizer and Goldnix. Goldnix did take a big loss, but I've changed the lots back to 0.1 now, and it's trading more stably again, which is good. Stabilizer made a heap of profit this week. I'll get into that shortly. But yeah, thanks to everyone on the Telegram who has contributed to Telegram and helping each other out. And we're all, I guess, trying to get the one thing, and that is to try and win trades and also make money at the same time. For me, it's just a good challenge. Making money is just a benefit from that. So I really enjoy creating algos that work, and obviously testing other people's algos to see if they'll actually work as well. So in the Forex market, to see if we can make some money. Passive income, I wouldn't call it passive, because there's a lot of work involved in getting these up and running, and obviously just making sure that they're all trading okay. So this is the overview. Current balance is 26,079, equity 25,505, and we have on this whole portfolio closed a profit of $6,079 since it started. So that's amazing. Now, if you're trading all of these robots with all the settings that I gave you, with everything like that, if you go back to the very first video of this series, you'll see everything that I used. But you've made $6,000. In we'll say 2 months, 2 and a bit months. Not exactly sure how many weeks they've been going for. It does say 77 days, so we can probably say that's almost like a bit over 2 weeks, maybe almost 3. 2 months, almost 3. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's get to the charts and we'll have a quick look there. So this is FX Stabilizer. Now, what happened this week was that there was some news that happened. There's still a gap here, actually. There's some news that happened on USD. Can't remember exactly what it was called. I think it starts with F. But yeah, it gapped down and went down hard. All US USD pairs went down quite a lot at the start of the week, and you know, on the Monday, actually it was Monday. Yeah, Monday. So it came down and then it come back and closed in profit. Or maybe it was late last week, I can't remember. But anyway, so it made $1,073 when it closed everything on one day when the market came back up. I think it might have been here. And then yesterday, not yesterday, but Friday it made $93 as well. So it's had some trades over the weekend and high number of trades over the weekend, currently $14.95 in profit, but not advisable to trade keep trades open over the weekend due to news happening over the weekend. You never know. So, you know, if this was live, I probably would have closed it in the morning before the market shut down. But anyway, amazing result for FX Stabilizer this week. But just remember, it did go into a fair bit of drawdown when that happened. I don't know if this is correct. The 4,024 drawdown. That's quite a lot, and it was, you know, it was in the thousands when it was in drawdown. So just keep that in mind. This could be right. It could have got to $4,000 in drawdown, but it does say here max loss, and it does say here current daily max drawdown was $84. So yeah, not exactly sure, but you can jump on the FX Blue and look at it just by itself, and you can have a look there and get that ratio. But move over to Goldnix, and I've decided to change the setting back to 0.1 lots. That's all I changed. Everything else is the same. Instead of 0.2, because you know, it was going really, really well on 0.1, and then you know, it's a big move in the market. It ran out of margin actually. So 0.2 lots is you probably wouldn't go there until you maybe had 10k in the account. Even probably 0.1 is too much. But currently negative $94 over the weekend. But it did make $902 profit this week just trading gold alone on the M1 chart. So pretty stoked with that. Not sure what the max drawdown was this week. It just says current drawdown 211. Probably not including, there's probably some trades. Nope, it's all drawdown. I don't know where it's getting $211 from. Anyway, so yeah, but Goldnix is trading really, really well. Pretty happy with how it's been going. Aura Hedge. Now, Aura Hedge, I actually added another pair. I added Euro USD M1, and I decided to trade it with 0.1 lots to see how it goes. And I've been actually quite surprised. It goes pretty well. Let's have a quick look here. So we can find. Don't know if it's actually. I added it pretty late. Here we go. 24th. Yeah, so Friday, I think. No, late Thursday, maybe Thursday night. I added it, and you know, it's done some pretty good trades. You know that it's made $8.80. It's hit take profit. Hasn't gone into a second trade. Another one, $6.10 has hit stop. Well, it's got a trailing stop loss, so not take profit. It's got this one, but it's only gone into one other trade. So, you know, it's gone down 2 levels before it's then closed in profit, and then it's got another one that it's closed pretty much instantly. 80 made 40. Well, you got to include commission, so it didn't make much in that one. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Right now, it does have a Euro USD trade open, but it's only just opened it, so not too bad. So yeah, it's $11.28 negative over the weekend, and it looks like gold may be coming back up after its little dump that it had on the New York close. Rightio, FX Scalper X, we are trading quite a few pairs, and we are trading medium risk. So we are trading now medium risk on all of these, and for the week it made $46, and we are down $38 over the weekend. So that's pretty good, you know, considering it's only a $1,000 balance, and we're trading medium risk. So we'll see how it goes. But so far so good with FX Scalper X. We can see here that it didn't make much of a profit when this was that negative 48. You see, you got negative 48.6 pips. That's because it closed a lot in loss, and it still only made $2.95 on that day. So it could have probably capitalized more, but look at that. It's pretty much come back, and then it's been ranging ever since for the news that's happening next week, which I think is non-farm payroll. Being that it would be the first, the new month next month, so it's always on a Friday in the new month. Now, Promax EA news version. So don't take this year too much into account with the figures here, but you know, it made $31 last week on 0.1 lots. Yeah, so it is 0.1 lots per 1k. So until it gets to until it gets to 2k, it probably goes 0.02. But yeah, $31 is pretty good in the week. That means this is not going to be correct. 0.04% per day. It's not correct because just remember it had that loss that it's made up for. So now it's in the positive. It's got a balance of 1,025. We should see this get a lot better over the next week. We'll see what happens. Pinpoint done pretty well. It made $21.98 this week. And just remember, I did change the lots to 0.1 because I just wanted to see how to go, and I think what's it doing now? Yep, it's trading 0.1 lots, and it is, you know, it's going quite well with that. Didn't get much drawdown at all, and it made $21 this week. Now, I didn't have any problems with the computer, so I'll just let it go. Ranger made less than Pinpoint, which is fun. It was weird. It made $4.68. We're currently down $11.13 over the weekend, but not much to really say on this one. Daily 0.23%, monthly 7.13. So going quite well. And R Factor is just one that I cannot put that trade info thing on. So what I can do is I can do the custom period thing. Do last week. And you can see what I did over the week. Made $32.30. So there you go. Pretty good. Now, a lot of people say they have mixed results with R Factor on a live account. Now, that's to be understandable. That's understandable because, you know, you've got things like slippage and spreads changing probably more differently than you would see on a demo account. Parabolic is still going. Not as much drawdown as it did have, but Euro USD is either going to go down or it's already going to go back up. So we'll see what happens there. I'm expecting it to blow because you know, it had because I had computer troubles last week. It got caught in that, wasn't able to trade pretty much out of it very well. So yep, we'll see what happens. But that rounds up all the robots for this review, for the week of review, and I'll probably put another video out in a few days talking about a robot challenge that I've been talking about in Telegram, and yeah, just trying to work out some bits and pieces there. But if anyone's interested in doing a trading challenge, with prizes to be advised. I'm not sure yet what the prizes will be. Whether it will be a copy of my robot as first prize, or $100 as first prize, 50 second, $20 third, or something like that. But essentially the idea is to trade with all the same accounts, and you can do whatever method you'd like. So you can do a combination of robot trading and manual trading, or you can do just robot trading, or you can do just manual trading, just to see, not really see who's the better trader, but it's good to have a challenge and test yourself, because that's the only way you learn. If you then in the Telegram we can talk to each other about our strategies, and we can talk about the winning strategies, and hopefully take that away and help each other out, because the common goal here is to, for me, is to try and do this full time, and I can do it from anywhere in the world. So it just gives me that freedom, obviously, to spend more time with my family, and obviously not have a cap on my salary. That's the whole reason that Forex and trading really interests me, is that your salary is only capped by your skills and your ability. Sure, it's good to have some equity behind you, and I fully understand that you need to have equity behind you and risk management, but everything will come into play, and I believe that given time and dedication, we can all get there. So that sums it up from me. So thank you very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon when you want an update on videos coming out. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode, where I'll be talking about this challenge a bit more. Till then, bye bye.